This isn't just light, it's clean power from water, designed for everyday calm, lighting simplified, energy redefined. Time to let go of clutter, no more charging cables, no bulky lamps. Make space for something better. This is Planto, effortless, self-powered, unlike anything before. How does it work? Let's take a closer look inside. At the center is the hydrovolt system, engineered to turn water into clean energy. Its compact frame is fully sealed and made from sustainable materials. A 3D printed aluminum mesh maximizes energy conversion. A flexible circuit connects every element with precision. 8 power modules work in perfect sync for stable output. Reinforced graphite ensures clean, consistent performance. And when it all locks back together, it's ready to light up. Waterproof by design, so you can water naturally right where it lives. Just twist. It turns on effortlessly. Set the mood. Adjust the glow. Change the color with a single tap. Let your light reflect how you feel. Create a harmony of light. Layer it. Multiply it. Build a space that feels alive. Pour in the water. Let nature do the rest. Set the tone. Take a breath. Ease into the moment. Let the light rise. Let the atmosphere settle. Leave it be. The light stays. Simple. Radiant. All powered by water. Back this project today. Bring water-powered light to life. Planto, the future of light, designed by nature.